Is it time to buy or sell Taiwan Semiconductor stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Taiwan Semiconductor. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 1st of April, 2025, our system has identified Taiwan Semiconductor as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.65. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock experienced a decline of -16.17%. This equates to an average loss of -2.70% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which often presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor, positioned at $141.22, be breached, it would signal an increased rate of decline. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 26.34% over the forthcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 26.42% to a decrease of 10.65%. Turning to a longer-term perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 25.98%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 25.98% to 109.14% in the next year. In current terms, this suggests a future price range between $178.10 and $295.67. Our latest daily update for Taiwan Semiconductor includes the headline, Taiwan Semiconductor stock upgraded to sell candidate. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock price fell by 3.28% on the last day, Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, from $146.17 to $141.37. It has now experienced a decline for 4 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 9.81%, reaching a low of $138.98 and a high of $152.61. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 21.85% over this period. Interestingly, the volume also fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a positive indicator since volume should ideally follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume dropped by 14 million shares, with a total of 28 million shares bought and sold for approximately $3.96 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $226.40, while the lowest was $125.78. Currently, the price stands at 37.56%, or $85.03, below the 52-week high of $226.40, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSM, has encountered a challenging year, with its stock down 26% year-to-date. The company is currently facing potential fines exceeding $1 billion due to alleged violations of U.S. export control regulations. This news comes as TSM is already grappling with the broader impacts of recently announced tariffs targeting Taiwan, which are set at 32%. Analysts suggest that these tariffs could impose significant pressure on the company's margins and overall sales, particularly as many tech firms rely heavily on seamless cross-border trade. Regarding immediate stock impacts, the combination of these regulatory pressures and macroeconomic challenges could lead to further declines in TSM share price in the short term, as investor sentiment remains cautious. However, TSM's technological leadership and strategic investments in innovation signify a robust long-term outlook. The company's role as a primary supplier for major tech giants, including NVIDIA and Apple, could offer resilience against short-term turbulence. Despite current setbacks, the underlying fundamentals suggest that TSM remains a compelling long-term investment in the semiconductor sector. The potential for recovery and growth in the industry could present opportunities for investors willing to look beyond immediate challenges. In summary, while short-term concerns may weigh on TSM stock, the company's long-term prospects remain optimistic, reflecting its critical position in the semiconductor market. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned TSM an overweight rating along with a hold action. On Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, Susquehanna reported giving TSM a buy rating while also advising a hold action. On the same day, Needham provided TSM with an underperform rating coupled with a hold action. Earlier, on Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, Needham had given TSM a buy rating along with a hold action. Furthermore, on Friday, the 19th of July, 2024, Needham once again rated TSM with a buy along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Taiwan Semiconductor stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be neutral, while the price-to-book ratio receives a rating of buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Taiwan Semiconductor. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock exhibits sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at levels of 156 and 2800ths and 175 and 2700ths. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 6, 2025, and since then, the stock has experienced a decline of 32 and 8400%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, commonly known as MACD. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which minimizes overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 43 days ago. Bollinger provided a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average suggested a sell signal 40 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 40 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a sell signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 27 days ago. Be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Taiwan Semiconductor. Currently, there is no support based on accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, the stock may face significant downward pressure in the coming days. This stock typically experiences average price movements throughout the day, and with healthy trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $13.63 between its highest and lowest points, which amounts to a change of 9.81%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 6.98%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 17th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.02. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Taiwan Semiconductor is at $146.17. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a suitable level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Taiwan Semiconductor stock a good buy? Taiwan Semiconductor displays several negative signals and is currently within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. As a result, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Our analysis conclusion has been revised from a strong sell to a sell candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 9th of April, we expect Taiwan Semiconductor to open higher by $2.95 and commence trading at $144.32. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.